Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin. Lake Michigan from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over northeastern Milwaukee, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be over nearshore and open